I bought those semi-cured nail, like gel nail stickers. I love doing my nails at home because I feel like it's like my favorite form of like self-care, like when I have like a self-care night. But this is currently the state of my nails. They look pretty horrendous. And I've been seeing this all over my TikTok, and I'm not one to usually like give in to like TikToks that I keep seeing and like buying it, but I did because this looks really fun, and I don't know, I just bought it. So I'm filming this at 7:30. I've been at work all day, my hair is greasy, but nobody's ever come to this channel for my professionalism and my quality, so let's just do it. And also the thing is with my YouTube channel is I can't be bothered anymore, so I'm not using my microphone, I'm not using a proper tripod. I also don't have a laptop at the moment, not that anyone who's coming on here for a Gellae review cares. I did like, they had like the bundle on their website where you buy like the starter kit stuff and then like 3 or 4 nail designs. So we've got the little UV LED lamp, which is so teeny weeny. I just realized I also don't have, this is USB, so I need to find, oh my god, it's so freaking cute, the prep pads. But I probably didn't need to get that because I think they just chuck a bunch of them in your order as well. I also got the Nourishing Cuticle Oil Gel Pen. They recommend this like for prep but also to remove it, which you don't need to have it to remove it, but I want to smell it because I got the sweet strawberry smell. I'm happy with my scent. And then I'll show you all of the designs that I got. The one that I'm most excited for, but I'm not going to do first because like if I could have like this nail color tattooed into my nails, I would, but I don't want to like have that as my first go just in case I screw it up. I got red because I love red nails, like that's like my go-to. But yes, I won't be doing that one first. I got like a pink. And now these come in, I opened it just before, they come in like a UV safe pouch, like black pouch. So you have to like cut it open. So I don't really want to open them all and like show them just because I don't want to like decrease like the longevity of them. And every little kit comes with a file and a cuticle pusher. Pink. This one, which is so cute. Do they have names? Am I supposed to be telling you names? They probably do have names, but I cannot see. This is my last one that I got. It's like it's kind of like a sheer cloudy nude, like with blue in it. So this might be a good one to start off with because it's going to be more sheer, and like if I make mistakes it might not like be as noticeable. So it's not meant to be difficult, but like it's going to be my first time doing it, so I think I might start with this one. So I might open this one and find a USB port and we shall get started. Actually, I'm going to start with getting rid of this nail polish and prepping my cuticles, but you don't need to know about that. Alright, I'm ready to open the packet. I wish I knew what this was called, this style. All I can see is it is NG 200-181. I'm going to open it now. Unfortunately, I don't have a cord right near my desk, so it is currently having to live on my skincare stand because that is as far as the cord will reach. So that is the design. I think this is a good choice, starting with something more sheer. Now I have really small pinky nails, so I know that you can stretch them to like be skinnier. I'm really nervous. Okay, start with this one. Okay, taking the top off. Shit, I didn't alcohol wipe. Emergency. I'm just gonna do this one because I've opened that and I don't know how long it takes to dry. Well, I guess it doesn't dry, but they're pretty like movable. Oh, this is too small. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try that again. Alright. Okay, they're pretty malleable. And like they're really bendy at this point, and then you cure them and then they get hard. I'm just gonna start with one because I'm feeling quite stressed out. So they said one on one side for 60 seconds. Huh? So that was 60 seconds. Now another one. Another 60 on the other side. Oh my god, I just touched it by accident and it feels hard. That is 120 seconds. It's definitely like not as hard as it seems. Like, okay, it is pretty hard, but not as hard as like the videos make it seem. Okay, now I definitely didn't really line it up that good. I'm gonna trim the excess. Oh. Goodbye. I like that this is sheer because like I can see where my nail, girl, I can see like where my nail ends a little bit more. Like it's not as hard to tell where my nail, when it starts turning, when it stops being gel and it starts being my nail. Like obviously over time these like they don't like they start to peel at the edges. I think that's how they come off, but like it feels pretty secure. They do recommend like to do a top coat like for extra security, so I might like do that. Can you please focus so everyone can see how nice it looks? What? That looks so cool. Yeah, I feel like this is considerably easy. Like, I honestly think that painting your nails is harder. Like, I'm honestly not that great at painting my nails. Like, I still get things everywhere. Like, I still get it everywhere. But like, this is pretty easy. Like, you just have to know like your nail shape and like your cuticles. Like, I mean, you just have to like look after your nails. And then the actual application feels pretty easy. Okay, so they do recommend to go in with a top coat just to help with longevity, but I feel like, is my camera not focusing at all? I feel like all the dust from filing the nails, it's making me like lose some of the shine, which you can't fucking see because my camera doesn't want to focus. It wants to focus on this. How about you go away? And I'm gonna focus the top coat like on the tip, just because that's like where my nail and the gel sticker meet. So it might help with longevity. Not sure though, I could be making that up. Okay, so my nails are all done. Ta-da! That was relatively easy. This hand was definitely harder because I'm right-handed, so these are beautiful, these are not. But I'll have to maybe take a video or a picture on my phone in the daylight tomorrow, because it is very difficult to see how cool this looks. Next time you see me, I will be giving an update most likely, or if I decide to film some footage tomorrow in the daylight. Hi guys, little update. I'm sick today, but that's, you don't care. It's been officially a week since I put these on. I'm really liking them. They have grown quite a bit. Let me see if I can turn this around. Like, I definitely think oh my god, my nails are so dry. But there is some growth, mostly on my thumbs. And like, now that they're growing out, you can see how wonky I applied them. The only thing that I did notice, so obviously they are a sticker, I feel like this is common sense, but I think on a few of my fingers, I didn't file it close enough to the nail. I thought I did, but it's hard to see. And so you kind of get a little bit of like dust and stuff gets stuck right on the tip of the nail, but it hasn't been so bad. I'll see if there's a finger that I can show you that on. Yeah, you can't really see, but just on the corner there, like, it is getting a little dirty, and they are getting a little bit chipped. So I think like these two fingers are getting chipped. So because I'm really excited about it still, I want to change the color and I want to take them off, but I think if I'm doing a review, I should try and keep them on for however long they last, just so I can really see. I'm trying to like show you guys. My camera is really not liking this review. But yeah, I'm gonna keep them on and see how they last. I do, now that it is like 1 week down, when I'm washing my hair, I can feel kind of like sometimes my hair gets caught underneath the sticker, because I definitely did a pretty shoddy job like my first time around. But I'm okay with that, so I'm just going to file them, reshape them a little bit, and then keep wearing them. Okay, final review. I really love them. The thing is, right, I can't give a proper review of how long they last. I did a full week and my nails grew so much that I didn't have to change it, but I wanted to, and I change my nails really often. Like, it's like I'm never wearing one color for like more than a week and a half. So the first set I did, I wore for a week and a half and it was good, but then I changed it because I just wanted a different color, and I really wanted to like put on my red because I am such a red nail girl. Got a little case for it. It looks so freaking good, and they make my nails so strong. And well, not strong, they get a bit weak from the like gel, I mean the stickiness, but they grow so much. So like, I went back and I bought more. I might quickly give you a little haul. I don't really know. Whoa, you're gonna fall. I got a blue, a brune, a purple, a sage, and then I got some Frenchies to try, because I feel like Frenchies would be interesting, because like everyone's nail lengths are different and like sizes of their nails. But anyways, 10 out of 10 from me. And they're really affordable. Like, it's cheaper than getting like actual nails done. And I don't mind that they probably look fresh and good for like maybe 2 weeks, but I don't really mind, because that's how long I want to wear a color for before I want to change it. So it's a 10 for me and George and my laundry.